So, I was just scrolling through Instagram and found this meme page. Now, I know at first, look, it seems like a cringe page, but until you see this. 17 million views, 19 million views, 23 million views, 29 million views. And that's not even enough, because he got 98 million views, which is almost 100 million views. And it's just by swapping faces of an already viral meme. It's almost 100 million views gained with just a few clicks. And now you can see what a face swap tool can do, right? So if you want these types of results, then stick till the end, and you will be able to create this type of video in just a few clicks. And I also have a surprise for you in the video. Here's our plan. Step 1. First, you need to pick the most viral memes of recent times. You can easily find some viral memes on YouTube. Just search TikTok Viral Memes 2024 or Instagram Viral Memes 2024, and then add the recently uploaded filter from home. Step 2. Create your Instagram theme page. Now for this step, I'm going to provide you with a free Instagram mastery course. So if you want it, then make sure to like and subscribe and then comment "free course," and I will send you the link. Step 3. At this point, you should have some viral memes and an Instagram account. Now, the tool we are going to use is Facemode. This tool is leading globally in high-definition video face swapping, supporting HD videos with exceptionally clear facial features and natural effects. It also has AI multi-face swapping, supporting up to 6 faces simultaneously. And not only this, it also has many other features and AI tools. You can check that out here. Next, simply click the link in the description and sign up from there. Then you will see this interface, then click on Swap Face Now. First, I will use a random image to see its capability. So click here to upload your image or a video, then it will analyze your image. And once it's done, you can click here to upload the other person's image to whom you want to swap your face with. Next, upload it here and click on Swap. And you can see how perfectly it works. You can also download it by clicking here. Now let's try a viral meme with many faces. To demonstrate, I will use this meme which got almost 100 million views, so simply upload your video here and click on Next. Then it will analyze it and show the faces in the video. Then choose your faces by clicking here. Or you can upload it here too. Then click on Swap. Let's see how it looks. Well, it actually looks great, just like we wanted. Now you just need to find some good memes and pair them with the current scenario on what's going on in your country. And make some good memes, then simply follow my free Instagram course to grow your page as fast as possible. And it's not over yet. You also get AI video generator, AI image generator, AI anime, and AI portrait. I really like this AI video generator tool because it already has many videos using which you can swap, let's say, your friend's face or your own face to prank your friends. Simply select any video you want and just upload the face you want and click on Swap, and that's it. Next, we have AI anime, which is really cool. You can create your anime portrait just by selecting the style you want, and then upload your image, then click on Generate. And you can see the results here. You can also change the style if you want. Next, we have AI Portrait. Here, you can swap your face with these professional portraits. Just select the style and your face and click on Generate. And there you have it. As I am in the AI niche, I will be honest with you, this is the best face swap tool I have ever used. Now, if you really want to go viral on social media and get millions of views, then I suggest you get one of their paid plans. The link is in the description, make sure to check it out. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment "free course" to get your free Instagram mastery course. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.